This has been the biggest project in our factory history so far.
With Bost vertical lathe, we will have capabilities to manufacture better products with improved quality. It means better performance of our products in pipeline of the customer processes.
The machine is 10 meters in length and over 6 meters in height. The weight of the machine is 95 tons. And the chuck size is 2 meters in diameter.
As a machine shop, we have to renew our asset year after year. For that purpose, we prepared a technology investment roadmap. Just now, we replaced 2 old machines with that new one. The excellent combination of technology in this machine means agile and lean manufacturing process.
Our team started the planning phase of this project on spring 2021, and the first deliveries came to our factory on spring 2023. Our team can be proud of what they have achieved over the years, and also Bost has delivered us what they have promised.
So in the end, we can say that Bost can provide to Valmet in this case several benefits, like we improve in the setup time, because now they are avoid use a specific fixture, and also we can provide them that zero defect process, because our measuring arm can achieve a good result, and we can compare the same result that their CMM machine, so the part can machine it very accurate.
I'm very excited to be part of this project. We are actually now able to produce the products from beginning to the end with just one machine, so we don't need to have heavy lifting to other machines, so that's more safer that way. We are now able to achieve more accurate and better quality to the sealing surface of the products. We are also able to measure the parts in the machine, so we don't need an extra CMM operation for it. It's a game changer.
I have to give Valmet many thanks, because their cooperation, their help was wonderful. Really, it was a pleasure working in Valmet, also in these factories, in this environment, and with this technical team. It was really good, really good. Yeah.